You got a smile for Mummy today? You got a smile for Mummy today? Yeah? Smile for Mummy? Maybe? Hello? Hello? Say hello, Grandma? Yeah. Do you like it in your bouncy chair? You like it too much in your bouncy chair and you won't sleep in your cot? Yeah. You're getting hungry? Ready for a feed? Have some lunch? Hey. Hey, little man.